We are going from this to this. Welcome to my DIY YouTube channel. Today we are tackling a big project, a kitchen upgrade for under $700 with two main upgrades. If you have an old oak cabinet blocking the view of the entire room like mine, this is the video for you. Out with the old, in with the new. This kitchen definitely needs a refresh. Something that won't break the bank. First, a trip to the hardware store. I am transforming this old oak cabinet to a high-end look, also adding backsplash in the main feature. The tools you'll need to get the job done. Both additions to upgrade the overall look. A pair of gloves, a pry bar, drill, saw, 2x4, tools from your toolbox, construction glue, vent range, backsplash material, and drywall. Carefully selecting all our materials, keeping cost effectiveness in mind. Make sure you measure area. I chose brick to blend with my countertops. If you are removing a small cabinet like I did, it'll be helpful to have a second pair of hands to help. I am doing two upgrades, replacing the vent duct with a quality vent range and adding a real brick backsplash. With careful measurements and the right tools, let's get it done. And just like that, our new coffee station, vent range hood, and elegant backsplash is done. We've created a stunning, functional kitchen upgrade without breaking the bank. I hope this inspires your next DIY project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing home improvement tips. Blue Dog out.